Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to convert your Microsoft project into Excel by exporting your data into Excel. For us to go ahead and do that, say for example, we have our project right here. We can go ahead and export this by clicking on File on the top left. And then we're going to be going on Save As right here. Now go ahead and select the specific link that you want or location to save this, and then you should be able to see this save as type. If we go ahead and open this up, you should be able to see these options right here. So you can save this as an Excel workbook and then just go ahead and click save. Now you'll be prompted into the project export wizard. You can go ahead and click on next. And if you want specific selected data, you can go ahead and do so. Or there is also the project Excel template that you can use. And then go ahead and use selected data if you want. But I'm just going to go ahead and use the template. And then I'm just going to click on finish. And there you go. I hope you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.